In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect bank accounts to Zoho Books. By the end, you'll have live bank feeds flowing into your books, which means faster reconciliations and fewer manual uploads. Before you begin, make sure you can sign into your bank's online banking and have your two-factor authentication device handy if your bank requires one. It also helps to confirm you have the right permissions in Zoho Books to manage banking connections and that you're working in the correct organization if you use multiple companies. Start by signing in to Zoho Books and heading to the dashboard. This is the home base where you can quickly confirm you're in the right company and currency. From here, look to the left-hand menu and select Banking. That section is where all your bank and card accounts will live. If this is your first time, the page may look empty. That's normal. Next, click Add Bank or Credit Card. You'll see a search field and a list of supported institutions. Type the name of your bank or card provider exactly as it appears in your online banking. If you operate in multiple countries, be sure to pick the regional version of your bank that matches your login. Choosing the correct region ensures the feed imports the right currency and transaction details. Once you find the right institution, select it and click Connect Now. You'll be redirected to a secure authentication screen provided by your bank or by Zoho's trusted data partner. Enter your banking credentials only on this secure screen, then follow any prompts to verify your identity. Many banks will ask you to approve the connection on a mobile app or via a one-time code. After that, you'll be asked to choose which specific accounts to link, such as checking, savings, or credit card accounts. If you're offered a date range for the initial import, pick the start date that covers the transactions you want to bring into Zoho Books. Some banks limit the initial import window, so choose the earliest option available if you need more history. Confirm your choices and let the first sync complete. This can take a few minutes. When it's done, you'll see your connected accounts listed under Banking, and new transactions will begin to appear. From there, you can review, categorize, and match them to invoices and bills as they arrive. If a connection ever expires, simply reauthorize it from the same banking area. Also note that some regions require periodic reconsent for security. That's it. Your bank is now connected to Zoho Books, and your bookkeeping just got a lot easier.